Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. I'm doing another new content for you guys with the new speaker. Today we have a Cadence Audio Xenith series. This is a 6.5 mid-range speaker. Actually, this video kind of sponsored video. They sent me the one-piece speaker to review, unboxing, and show how's the sound quality and how this speaker will stand up with the next the other speakers on my channel. Like tons of 6.5 speakers, mid-range speakers. So when I see this speaker, I was I was thinking like, all right, it can be the good content and it's good comparative for the different speakers. So thank you very much guys for sending me one-piece speaker. If definitely I'm gonna do the giveaway. So if you guys win this speaker, I'm gonna buy the second version, so you guys have two speakers. Like I'm not gonna send you the one speaker, so you have to buy another one. So this speaker is around $39, and the price wise is very nice. And the package, it's comparing with a lot expensive speakers, the package is very good. And on the box, as you can see, you have all the informations, right? When you read the informations, not all the time is like a true. Like some speakers, it says like it plays at 11,000, like 14,000 hertz. But at the end of the day, when you connect to the amplifier, it's not gonna play like, you know, all the ranges. One day advertising. So we're gonna find out today. This is a speaker is worth it for $40, or you have a other choice for the price range, right? So I have a specifications here: 75 watt RMS speaker, 1.5 high temperature CCAR voice coil, right? It means you can run on the higher volume a lot longer time. So frequency response is going to be 150 to 8500 hertz. So this is a nice high playing the mid-range speaker, foam version, of course, right? Nice bullet type speaker, right? All right, you're gonna receive just like this one-piece speaker, and oh, it comes with the even all screws, and you have a nice sticker right here. Has a Cadence sign on it. So this is a nice, you know, additive degree for the speaker. For example, you spend on the BNC $120, the PRVs, like all the others, it comes without nothing, right? So you spend $40 for the speaker, and you have a nice the speaker build quality. It's decent. When I see the two terminals on the website, I was thinking, I was like happy, like this guy comes with the tweeter in the middle, right? The middle. No, actually it doesn't comes with the tweeter. This guy comes with the LED lights. Here it says the LED plus and minus, but the only problem is here I couldn't find this LEDs like 12 volt LED or speaker output LED. For example, you can connect the parallel for the speaker, so when the music gets placed, it's gonna be illuminate. But illumination, we're gonna test that. We're gonna give a 12 volt also, and we're gonna give the speaker output. So we're gonna see how these LEDs will light up. And the special treated the cloth materials here on the side, so you can give some bass. But sitting position for installation for your door speaker is you're not gonna have any problems. Most speakers I review on my channel, they have like a too high the depth on the sitting position. When you install to your doors, the window is not gonna go all the way down, or you cannot close, you know, the covers, all that stuff. Like it has a problem. There is no problem, and I think it's the best replacement for. This is the base replacement for the factory replacement, right? 75 watt RMS. You're gonna run this speaker with any small amplifier, and you're gonna be happy. I watched a couple of videos, the guys installing this, and you can't judge that speaker like seeing the, you know, shaky camera, all that stuff. Like it's very hard. So I have an amplifier and I have a tweeters also. I'm gonna add the tweeters and we're gonna see it. Let's do it. Alright, I turned on my amplifier, so we're gonna give the full range first with the bass. Of course, you're not gonna do that, but reason why I'm giving every single speaker like a full range with the bass, because I want to hear the mechanical noise. When the higher volume, some speakers makes like crazy mechanical noise when they move, when they're doing the bass, right? So let's start from the lowest volume. Of course, I'm gonna install cheapest tweeter and you know, the nice tweeter to add to see the sound quality with the tweeter, how it's gonna be, right? Now we're gonna play with the lowest volume, and we're gonna see the details on the speaker. I'm listening the first time this speaker.
Highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know.
This is the lowest volume.
Into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown.
And you can hear the guitar's notes already. This is the good side. There's a lot of speakers and the lower volume you don't hear, you know, the details on the low on notes when the lower volume. It means you can replace your, you know, the stock speakers with this, and you can enjoy without the amplifier. Even with the amplifier without, of course, if you give the amplifier, it's gonna be sound totally different, right? So now time to give this some juice and see mechanical problems, because the sitting depth is like, you know, narrow. We're gonna see how it will handle the bass. I'm gonna give a little bit more. There we go.
Close through the night, I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to city life.
This thing handles some power, bro. It says like 8500 hertz, but it plays a little lower than that. It doesn't play with the 8500 hertz. It has like a 5000 or 4000 hertz. So if you guys like thinking, you gotta add some nice tweeter for this speaker. Oh, let me.
Call me a shooting star.
You see that absolutely no mechanical noise on this speaker. You're not gonna give that full range for this speaker. Even you just replace your factory speaker and you can get some bass without any problems, right? You shouldn't do that, but I can do it. That's my, you know, the experimental channel. I do with every single speaker. Most speakers on this volume, on this tone, they will make some mechanical noise. In the mid-range and a lot of, you know, the tones, a very good speaker to listen to rock music, rock like a dubstep, something with the fast drum. Definitely, you know, the good speaker to play it, because around the condy's area, so it's made from the light material. That's why you don't feel like delays on the music. So I'm gonna add the real tweeter, and I'm gonna tune 150 and up, and you're gonna see it like a real power output. Add for this guy.
Yeah, shoot, 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 shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot.
Absolutely no problem with giving the bass. Like, this is made for 150 and up, so it doesn't handle any, it shouldn't handle any bass, right? But I'm giving the full range with a tons of bass. it's no mechanical noise at all. I tuned this speaker 120 hertz, so we'll see now. I didn't tune 150 because 150 is too high. It can handle 120, is no problem at all. Let's do it. Same. Alright, vocals, a human voice. I can play whole day the music because when the sound is good, you can play all day, right? So conclusion: $39 per speaker, like $80 pair. This is the really good speaker. Like it can handle the bass. It can, like, the most mid-range speakers you cannot give any bass, right? They didn't made for that. But this guy, you can replace 4 your door speakers and it throws like extra amplifier, and you can get the, you know, the nice mid bass, mid punch, and the sound quality is accurate. Don't look for 8500 hertz because this speaker plays around like 5000 hertz, maybe 4 to 5000 hertz. Of course, as soon as you add, you know, any tweeters, like even the factory, the cheap tweeters, it's gonna bring up the, you know, the sound quality. The power handles is good. Like even the 75 watt RMS, I give them. I can give them more than that, and you know, it can handle. So now, time to watch what's gonna happen with the LED right here on the middle. I'm gonna give from my amplifier some power. I think it's gonna get more than around 12 volt, more than 12 volt. Now I have a studio setup, like the light is a lot brighter, but you can parallel, you know, connect the LEDs with the speaker output, and you're gonna get, you know, nice disco light. If you make louder, of course it's gonna get brighter. Maybe I'm gonna throw with the different speakers, so we're gonna see, you know, the cheaper version or a little expensive version speakers, how it's gonna stand up. But so far, just the unboxing and sound quality, it's really nice speaker. You guys can, you know, check the link, and if you decide to buy it, like you don't want to spend like tons of money, definitely check this speaker, and you're gonna be happy. All right, thank you. I'm out. I'm gonna run different experiment.